In this video, we are going to see about the selection sort in a data structure and algorithms concept. In previous video, we have discussed about what is sorting and the bubble sort. Initially, the sorting is arranging a data in an order wise. Either it will be in ascending or a descending. So we can easily access the data, and the efficient of the working algorithm is more. So we are using sorting algorithm to sort the data in an arranged manner. In previous video, we have discussed the technique called bubble sort, where we will be having an unsorted array, and we will be comparing the adjacent pair. If it is less than the pair, it is less than the second position, we will be swapping will be occurring until the step will be continued for till the array is sorted. In this video, we are going to discuss about selection sort. The selection sort is a comparison-based sorting algorithm. It sorts an array by repeatedly selecting the smallest or a largest element from the unsorted position and swapping it with the first unsorted element. This process continues until the entire array is sorted. First, we find the smallest element and swap it with the first element. This way, we get the smallest element as it is in the correct position. Here if we see the diagram, initially the array is in I power 0. That is, initially the array is, we are not shifting anything. So we will be starting from the 0th position. In 0th position we have 20, and in first position we will be having 12. So the minimum value is at the index level 1. So here the swapping will be occurred. So the 12 will be reached to the 20, and 20 will be coming to the 12th position. Next we are comparing the index position 2. In index position 2, it's not 10 and 12. Here the 10 and 12 will be swapped, and next one is 10 and 15. Here 12 and 15, and here the 12 and 15 will not be sorted as it is index 3 is all placed in the correct position. So next one is the 2. So the 2 should be in the first position. So again we will be comparing the arrays, and we will be sorting until the 2 is in the front position. That is, I equal to 0 is 2. So the sorted array will be 2, 10, 12, 15 and 20. Let's see detail about the algorithm that we use. We find the smallest among the remaining element or the second smallest and swap the second element. We keep doing until we get the elements moves to the correct position. And next we are going to see about insertion sort. In insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by iteratively inserting each element of an unsorted list into a correct position in sorted position of the list. It is sorting playing cards in your hand. Example, you split the cards into two groups, the sorted cards and the unsorted cards. Then you pick a card from unsorted group and put it the right place in a sorted group. Next one is next here the example is with remaining element as it is in the correct position. Here we have explained the quicksort algorithm. Here I have taken the number 13 as a pivot element. So I am splitting the array 7, 12, 14 and 11. 13 is kept in a side, and 18, 15, 19, 16. In what manner I have split it is the right side, in the left side element should be less than the pivot value, and the right side element should be greater than the pivot value. If you see in this diagram, the 13 is the pivot value, and the right side of the pivot value is all larger than the 13, that is 18, 15, 19, 16, and left side is all smaller, 7, 12, 4, 11. So I am splitting that array into two positions, that is 7, 4, and next is 11 is kept as a pivot value, and I am taking 12 as a 12 is greater than 11, so I am taking it in a right side. Here 4 is kept because the 11 and 12 is already sorted. The 7 and 4 is not sorted, so I am keeping 4 as a pivot value, and 7 is I am keeping as a right. Here in this position 15, 16 is kept as a pivot value, so 19 and 18 will be going to the right position, and here by using this position I using the pivot value I have sorted that given array as most easiest as in way. Algorithm for the bubble sort algorithm is, first we should choose the pivot value, selecting an element from an array as a pivot value, commonly the first, last or the middle element. The partitioning the array, rearranging the elements so that all element less than the pivot come before it, all element greater than the pivot come after it. Recursively applying the quicksort on the left and the right subarray. Combining, when subarray have one element or an empty, they have already sorted, combine them to get the final sorted array. Hope you all understand this quicksort algorithm. Thank you.